Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Pad 3 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So in this device you can block the number only using your contact list. So let's open it, let's find the contact which you'd like to block and tap on it, and then scroll down to the very bottom to find this option block numbers. Let's tap on it. Now your device will immediately inform you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this specific number. Of course, if you've got more numbers assigned to this one person, then you will block both. So just tap on block if you want to, and as you can see right here we've got this characteristic icon, which means that the number has been blocked successfully. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just tap on unblock numbers and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.